Hello and welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. In today's video, it's all about pumpkin spice loaf in the spirit of fall. You are going to love this recipe. It's soft, it's decadent, it's so delicious. And please stick around and I'll share with you little tips on how I make my pumpkin loaf extra nice. Okay? And remember to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's get right to it. So starting off with our dry ingredients, you're going to need vanilla bean powder, ginger powder, nutmeg, cardamom, cinnamon powder, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And we're also going to be using Chinese five spice. Next, we're going to add our flour, and we need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and just go ahead and sieve that. Once you're done, we are going to add the ingredients to this. So we're going to add salt, baking powder, baking soda, and of course the measurements will be in the description box for you as well. Cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, nutmeg, and vanilla bean powder. And of course we're going to be using a 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese five spice. Now the smell already, the aroma, you know it's gonna be so good. So just go ahead and ensure that everything is nicely combined. And all these spices are just gonna give you a nice bite in your pumpkin spice bread. So once we're done, we are gonna go and work on our wet ingredients. So we need 1 cup of sugar, 2 room temperature eggs. Now we're just gonna cream our eggs and sugar. It's gonna take a little bit of arm action, but it's worth it, okay? So just continue whisking that together until it becomes smooth. And it should be looking like this. Next, we are going to add our oil. We're going to add 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. And again, you want to ensure that you combine this nicely. So you should be getting a nice creamy consistency, nice and smooth. Next, we're going to add 1 1/2 cup of pure pumpkin puree. And look at the color. Like once you start mixing this in, you are going to love the color. And again, just combine this until it becomes nice and smooth, just like this. Okay, once you're finished, you are going to add the dry mix to your wet ingredients, but I'm adding a half at a time. And I'm gently going to cut and fold. Now in this step, you want to make sure that you are doing it gently. You don't want to overwork the mixture because it will be too gummy and we don't want that, okay? So after you've incorporated half, you're going to add the remainder of the dry ingredients to your wet. And again, we're just doing a cut and fold method. And don't panic. Just continue folding the dry ingredients in and it should look like this. Now, by this time, your oven should be preheated at 350 and ready to go. And your pan should also be greased and lined with parchment paper. Now you want to go ahead and add your mixture to your pan. After which, go ahead and just smooth that out. And again, the aroma from this is just so amazing. When you pop this in your oven, it's going to have your house smelling so, so good. And we're going to bake for 50 to 55 minutes and test with a toothpick. And there you have it. Simple, delicious, and easy, right? So this pumpkin spice loaf, you have to try it. It is so soft, warm, and the spices are just jumping at you with each bite. You can taste the ginger, you're tasting the cloves, the star anise from the Chinese five spice, the cinnamon. It's just, oh, so perfect. You can have this with coffee, tea, milk, whatever you want, right? So ensure that you try this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.